NoEffort AI just dropped, and here are 7 crucial things you need to know before you even think about using it. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and this one caught me off guard. You can try NoEffort AI completely free from the first link below, but before you do, stick around, because there's one specific feature near the end that almost no one is talking about, and it changes everything about how you'll use this software. First, NoEffort AI lives up to its name. It's built for non-techies and marketers who just want results. Fast. No clunky setup, no learning curve. The dashboard is clean, snappy, and does exactly what it says. Generate, automate, and simplify. The core of NoEffort AI is its content engine. Whether it's blogs, emails, or even short-form video scripts, it creates human-level content with scary good accuracy. And what makes it different from other AI content tools is how it allows real-time tone switching after the content is generated. You don't like the tone? Switch it. No need to regenerate. That's a serious time saver. Now, let's talk automation. NoEffort AI isn't just a writer. It connects to your marketing stack. You can push content straight to your email platform, your CMS, even your social channels. That kind of integration is rare in a tool this new, and it's why digital marketers are jumping on it. Speed-wise, it's fast. And the prompts? You don't need to be a prompt engineer. You type what you want in plain English, and it just gets it. That's one of the biggest reasons I recommend it to beginners and busy teams. Security and privacy also stand out. NoEffort AI claims it doesn't store your data or content, which is rare in this space. That's a big win if you're working with sensitive client data or in regulated industries. And here's what really sets it apart. The team behind NoEffort AI is shipping updates weekly. This isn't one of those launch and forget apps. Features are getting better by the day, and the community support is already strong, even though this AI tool just released. If you're wondering if this is another overhyped launch, I get it. But after using it hands-on, I can tell you, NoEffort AI is the best just released AI software I've tried in months. If you're serious about saving time and scaling your content or marketing, it's worth a test drive. Again, the free trial link is below, and you've got nothing to lose. And if you want to know the real game-changer feature that makes NoEffort AI stand out from every other AI software I've reviewed, it's what they're working on next. It's not live yet, but the roadmap includes automated funnels powered entirely by AI. Think click-to-convert automation with zero manual setup. That could put a lot of existing tools out of business. If you're testing AI tools right now, check the description. I've listed my top recommended AI softwares, all free to try. These are the ones I actually use after testing thousands.